Hey everybody, this is Ty with TC Backer. We are a proud partner of Ugly Roof Rejuvenation. Don't replace it, rejuvenate it.
TC Backer, TC Backer.
My name's Clay Weingart with Ugly Roof. I do all things training, so sometimes it's sales training, sometimes it's on Zoom. Today we're actually getting down and dirty in person. So this is what our spray setup looks like. This is going to be your tote for cleaner or water, depending on what your setup is. This is the Rejuve, where the magic happens there, and we've got some Rejuve already in the tank. But basically, it's a ready-to-go spray setup, and our purpose of being here today is to train TC Backer on all the production steps that are needed. So you can go out and actually put these jobs into production. We'll teach you some of the things we've learned along the way and get you spraying. So to get everything started, and this is something you need to do probably the night before you go out, is make sure your tanks are filled up, your motor's gassed up. So with the Rejuve, it's 50% water, 50% oil. There are hash marks on the side of the container to kind of help you with that. We started off here with 50 gallons of oil, so I went ahead and filled it up to the top with 100 gallons of water, or 50 gallons of water. I use these containers to transport the bleach. So when we got to the job here, I put in 20 gallons, and I'm adding 20 gallons of water. So it's our 50-50 split there too. When I got to the job, filled my totes up, I opened up these valves. So this way is open. We're going to start with cleaner. So the totes are labeled color-coded. So this is going to be yellow, cleaner, black, Rejuve. So to get started, I'm going to make sure my Rejuve is closed. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my cleaner. So now I'm ready to spray cleaner. Once I get the motor going, that's what we're spraying. Right now we're just spraying everything down. Spraying the house down, spraying the lawn down, saturating all the plants. And the reason we do that is the cleaner, if a plant's dry, if it's thirsty, the cleaner could kill a plant. The other thing is the Rejuve itself is slippery. So we're just trying to keep both applications off the homeowner's property. This house has downspouts that run kind of into the driveway, so I would use a tarp or something to collect anything that comes off the roof. I'm also spraying that area really good while the spray is going on, just to protect the homeowner's property. Both doors open when you're running the motor. Keep your side door open, keep your back door open. So I finished cleaning the roof. Now I'm ready to go to Rejuve. I turn the motor off, and then all I'm going to do is switch from my yellow tank to my black tank. So turn it off yellow, turn it off yellow, turn it on black. Now what I'm going to do is I still have a few gallons of cleaner in the line. So I'm going to start the motor up and run my cleaner into that jug until I have Rejuve coming out, and then at that point I'm ready to go finish the second half. We got here right around 11 o'clock, now it's 12:30. So we cleaned the roof, we let it dry, we rejuvened the roof, we were in and out in an hour and a half. The cool thing with this process is this homeowner would have likely had to replace this roof very soon. We're going to be able to do some repairs for them. We did the rejuvenation, and we're going to warranty this bad boy for another 5 years. So it's really great for the homeowners. I recommend it. If other people have told you it's time to replace, come out and see if you qualify for a TC Backer to rejuvenate your roof.
We'll be right back.